What is going on, everybody? It's Carl here, and today we're going to be continuing on with the silver Saturn, trying to get the brake lines all said and done, right? So last video, obviously you've seen that I went out and bought some thread sealant at the end and let it sit overnight. Well, that was kind of a big failure, right? But there's some positives though. So I went to Napa and I bought one brake line union, right? Because that's all they had. And I put it on and no leak, right? No leak. And then on the same brake line, there was another fitting that I got from AutoZone that I put thread sealant on, and it's not leaking. So there's one brake line that's perfect right now. Well, I went to Napa and I bought 3 more of those union fittings. And so we'll have 2 for the other line. Hopefully everything is a-okay. And if that one with thread sealant fails, I have an extra one just in case. So that's what we're going to be doing today, is going to be fixing up that other brake line. And hopefully there's no leaks and I don't have to do anything special. And yeah, this whole thing has been just a mess. Just honestly, just a mess. And like I said, I hate doing brake lines and fittings and stuff. That is the one thing, that's number one on my list. I just hate it with a passion because there's just so many things that can go wrong and you're just fighting it all the way to the end. So hopefully this is the end. I hope to God. So let's, I got pretty much the car on a jack, and I got my, I don't know what you want to call them, the flare nut wrenches. I got all that. So we're going to swap 2 of them out from O'Reilly's because I put them on the same line, and we'll see what happens. We'll swap them out for the Napa and see what happens. So let's get into it. So I got the fittings swapped out. As you can see the new brass there. And I'll fill up the car with brake fluid, and we'll bleed the brakes quick on both sides, make sure everything is bled, and then we'll close them up, step on the brakes, and or step on the pedal, and see if we have any leaks. And that's really all I can do, and hope and pray. So I hope to God this is it. I am not shitting you guys, but 0 leaks off of just swapping the fittings. Dude, literally, I just pumped the brakes 10 times, you know, just to check everything. I bled this one brake because this brake line was the one I was having the issue with the leak. I did obviously have an issue with the other one. That's a Napa fitting. This one's still AutoZone, but it has sealant on it. And that's why I kept, that's why I bought 3, just in case. But I am not shitting you guys. There's 0 leaks. You know what? Like, I'm at the point where fuck you AutoZone for your fittings and fuck you O'Reilly's for your fittings, because clearly wherever Napa sources these from are pretty good quality and they actually work and seat and seal. I literally, I mean, you can't make this up, man. You cannot make this up. This is embarrassing. And I wasted a lot of money, you know, and time and all this shit over these fittings. I mean, you cannot make this up. So I guess the only time I'm ever going to be buying fittings for brakes again is from Napa, and I'm not fucking around. So this is unreal. I hate to say it, but this video is going to be a lot shorter than I actually thought it was. But those fittings work perfect. No problems in the brakes. Actually, the pedal feels really nice. You can't make this shit up. It stops on a dime now. Yeah, literally, you can't make this up. This whole 3-day ordeal, all because of some fucking fittings. Can't make it up. So now all we got to do is get the lines underneath buttoned up quick, and this car's ready to rock and roll again. And that means tomorrow we are getting rid of that Saturn, 100%. So we're back in business, boys. We're back in business. But god damn it. All of that because of some fucking fittings. And all the money wasted. Yeah, I could probably go return it, but they're used. They're going to bitch. They're going to fight it. That's just how it is. So all I can say is I'm happy, but I'm also disappointed at the same time. Well, this is the best it's going to be because obviously the pegs are no longer in the body because it's so rusty. But, you know, after getting it all back together, still no leaks. That's good. And I tried to get the rear brake lines here out of the way of this trailing arm that is non-existent from the body anymore. But I think everything will be all right. So just no off-roading. Don't want to catch this fuel line or anything, but it, you know, we still got a lot of clearance, so, and it'll be all right. So yeah, that's just how it's going to be. But everything's back together, I guess, and ready for tomorrow. Before I wrap up this video, I just want to say, if you need brake fittings, do not go anywhere else other than Napa, because I avoid this at all costs. I don't know where they source these fittings and all that from. I like from like AutoZone. I don't know where they source it. O'Reilly's. I don't know where they source it. And I mean, even Napa. I mean, it says like made in China on the bag, but they're slapping their name on that fitting, and it's the only fittings that worked. So anywhere else, do not go. You go to Napa Know-How because they know how. And I am solely convinced that, like I said, this was a 3-day ordeal, and I am very, very mad about this. Happy at the same time because it's done, but I am very mad that I wasted so much time and not a lot of money, but man, come on. Like, it's just a lot of fuel to drive to these places, to grab fittings, the time, you know, everything's revolves around money, right? So my time is money, the fittings were money, fuel is money to get there. Like I said, don't waste your time. Just go to Napa, get them done. You know, I was thinking I flared these wrong, the lines on the car, all this and that. No, it wasn't that. It was the fittings were absolutely junk. The unions, you know what I mean? The unions were junk, the brass unions. Absolutely mind-boggling to me. And I have one extra because I know you never know when that one's going to give out with the sealant in it, you know. But like I said, go to Napa. And with that being said, thanks for watching, everybody. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.